So now let's see how we can work around with order of items inside of Google Jamboard. So to do that, I'm just going to click on the sticky note right here. I'm just going to say information just like this, choose a color, press save, and this is what I have. Another note right here just like this, choose a color right here, there you go. I'm going to go around, say example, and there you go. So I got three of the sticky notes over here. So if I were to click and drag this, then this is what you have. As you can see, this is another note. If I were to click and drag it on the top, then this is what you have, as you can see. And now there's another note right here which is on the top. So you have this, and you have this on the top, as you can see. So if I were to go around, you can see that the yellow item is the topmost item right here, while the back item right here is the backmost item. So if I want to, let's say for example, change the order of this, maybe let's say for example, I want the yellow item to be behind this pink item right here. You can go around, click on this little three dot icon right here, go to order and click on send backward, just like this. So once you do that, what happens is that now you can see that this yellow sticky note is on top of the blue note and in bottom of the pink note right here. Similarly, you can go to order, click on send to back, and you can see that it actually goes back. If you want to send the layer that is the item right to the back of yellow, then you can just go around over here and click on send to back. And what happens is that it goes to the backmost area. And similarly, you can go around, click on bring to front right here to bring it all the way to the front. And if you want to bring it one step to the front, you go to order, click on bring forward right here, and it only comes one step forward, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with order inside of Google Jamboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.